Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of y'all who are returning, for those of y'all who are new, my name is Leah. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this look. I know it's bomb, right? Okay. It is my go-to full face beat. I will wear this face for literally every occasion in any environment. I've worn it to school, I've worn it going clubbing, to a strip club, to church, everywhere. I just love this look so freaking much. It's so neutral, it's so versatile. You can wear it with almost every color. I'm saying almost because I don't think I've worn it with every color, but I've damn near tried. So let's just get straight into it. Okay, so we're going to jump right in with the SMASHBOX Photo Finish Pore Minimizing Primer. I love this primer. I love all their primers actually. They feel so good on my face. This is going to make sure your makeup stays on your face all day. Then I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty as my foundation. I'm going to blend that in with this beauty sponge on the thicker side. And I'm going to drag that all the way through my neck so we don't have like this casket look when we're taking pictures. Then I'm going to go in with my KEVYN concealer. Normally I apply this with my fingers, but the way these nails are set up, that's not happening today. So I just picked a random brush to apply it to my face. And then I'm going to go in with the same beauty sponge on the opposite side and blend that in. Next, I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I'm going to take that darkest color and I'm going to pick another random brush and use that to apply that in all the areas I want to contour. The purpose of highlighting and contouring your face is to bring dimensions back to your face that you erase when you put foundation on. Foundation is a base, so it covers all the natural shadows that were naturally occurring on your face. When you highlight, you're bringing forth features that you want to be seen, that you want people to look at. And when you contour, you're putting those shadows on your face. So it's making your face look slimmer and also hiding features that you necessarily don't want to bring attention to, like your double chin, your wide nose, fat face, blah blah. Underneath my eye with the Ben 9 banana powder. And then I forgot to do this step, so I'm just going to do it now. I'm going to set my face in all the areas I didn't apply the contour to with this setting powder from Fenty Beauty in the color Cashew. Normally I would set my whole face with this and then put the contour on. While you guys are here, hit that little square in the bottom right hand corner of your screen if you haven't already. Next, I'm going to set my contour with this bronzer from Fenty Beauty in the color Coco. I'm going to be quite heavy-handed with this, but don't be alarmed. I'm going to go back in with that fluffy brush that we used for our setting powder for our foundation and blend all those harsh lines out. Then I'm going to use this rose gold skin mist from FARSÁLI. And I'm going to generously spritz my face with this. This is going to erase that powdery finish that all those powders might leave on your face. Then I'm going to go into this KAJA Trio eyeshadow. It's in the color Toasted Caramel. It is my favorite. This is the best eyeshadow palette ever. I'm going to start off with the darkest color, the bottom one. And I'm going to apply that at the bottom of my eye and all throughout my crease. And I'm going to use a fluffy eyeshadow brush to do this. Next, I'm going to take the middle color and I'm going to pack that all over my lid. And then I'm going to go back into the fluffy brush and use that to blend out those two harsh lines between the lid color and the crease color. I'm going to use this e.l.f. eyeliner. It's felt tip. Personally, I love felt tips, and if you're a beginner with eyeliners, I would suggest you use these. It's way more controlling than a liquid eyeliner and definitely less messy. And I'm just going to make a line extending my bottom waterline out, and then I'm going to connect that to the top of my eyelid. And then I'm going to go from the inner corner of my eye and draw a line as close to my eyelash line as I can, all the way back to the connecting triangle line that I made earlier. And then I'm going to fill in any missing pieces. This is going to make your eyelashes look thicker. And it's just cute. You see the difference? I'm just going to repeat this on the other side. Then I'm going to go into the first color of that trio, and I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight a lot. I'm going to be super generous. I love inner corner highlights. They're like the focus of my makeup look in almost all my makeup looks. So it's going to be pretty bright. You can make it less bright if you prefer, but I like to shine bright like a diamond. Then I'm going to take the Better Than Sex mascara and I'm going to apply that to my eyelashes. If you guys wear eyelashes, this would be the point that you would put those on. But I don't wear lashes, as you will be able to see. I have plenty of lashes, so there's no need for me to do that. Thank the eyelash gods for that. Boom. I'm just going to repeat that process. Next, I'm going to take the Stellar Powdered Loose Highlighter in the color Twilight. It's like this golden color. And I'm going to apply that in all the places that I'd put my actual highlighter. But I'm going to use a beauty sponge. I do not suggest trying to apply this highlighter with a brush. Been there, done that. Super messy. Just not worth it. So use a sponge, slightly damp, and just beat it into your face in all the places the sun would naturally hit and make a glow. And then I'm going to use a brush to do my eyebrow highlight with the same highlighting. Then I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set Setting Spray. And again, generously spray that all over my face, lock it in. And then I'm going to use my favorite lip gloss ever. It is Sephora's lip gloss in Tan Lines. It's only like $9. As you can see, I had two right there. And then I have like one in my book bag, one in my car. I have them everywhere. I love these things. And this is the finished look. Me feeling myself a little bit. Y'all see that? Look at that. Damn, girl. Yeah, I know. Well, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and thumbs up this video. Check out my social media. See y'all next week.